is the Staphylococcus lab, and the one on Monday is the Streptococcus lab, and then there'll be no more labs that you'll have to train as a cohort. However, you will still be working in a cohort for the third exam, and then for a project that you'll be doing for the fourth exam. Yes?
The lab is also going to be with our cohort?
The lab exam.
Lab practical?
No.
Okay.
Okay.
Just want to make sure.
By yourself.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when you looked over my Quagaze whatever test, whatever the staff, whatever, was it correct though? Because I found that information like
So
everywhere.
it's we're going to talk about it right
Okay.
Same.
now. Okay. So we're going to talk about all the things that help to differentiate the Staphylococcus. So first of all, we've already done the enteric lab, right? So the enteric lab, we put the things together that you'll use after MVIC to differentiate. And you should be getting a hold of this stuff, because this stuff not only will be on the third practical, but you'll use it to identify your unknowns, just like you use this stuff. Everybody, when they get their unknown next Thursday,
Man, it's hot in here.
I know, I'm sweating bad. Sorry, I have to lean forward. I'm
next
sweating.
Thursday, when you get your unknown, there'll be 1 gram-positive organism. It'll be a gram-positive coccus or a gram-positive rod, and there'll be 1 gram-negative organism, and it will be a gram-negative rod. An enteric or a non-enteric. Okay?
So either MVIC or these things, or like lab wise.
All combination of everything.
How many organisms are there out of, like, how many organism options are there that you're
For
gonna
the
know?
gram-negs,
For who, they're unknown?
18.
18?
And for the gram-pos, there are 13. There are 13 gram-positive
Enough for everybody
cocci.
to have one.
Yeah, and the gram-positive rods, there are 4 of them.
Are we picking it, or you're
Oh
giving
no,
us?
I'm gonna give it to
I
you.
like rods too.
You're not getting rods.
Oh, darn.
All right, so let's talk about the Staphylococcus. First of all, here's how they break down. They're gram-positive cocci. The Staphylococcus are all catalase positive, right? They belong to the family Micrococcaceae. That's the way you spell that. And they include the Staphylococcus and the Micrococcus, right? They're halophilic, right? Microscopically, if you were to look at them, these particular microorganisms, the Micrococcus, a lot of times they form tetrads, and the Staphylococcus form clusters. But those are all presumptive identifications, right? The giveaway is whether or not they're catalase positive or catalase negative. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
You said they're halophilic.
Halophilic.
Halophilic. Can I write that on the board and see when I
Number
take
6, halophilic.
6? How do you spell that?
HALOPHILIC.
PHLILIC.
Halo, that is correct. Halo, they're all halo. That means what, Andrea? They can grow in high salt concentrations. That's going to be important when we get to that very last test over there called mannitol salt. Okay? So first of all, let's talk about the catalase test. The catalase test is a test that's right here, and so it differentiates the gram-positive cocci on their ability to produce an enzyme. That enzyme is called catalase, and that enzyme takes, get up there, Spencer and B. Vanna, show us the formula. Show us the formula. Point to the formula. There you go. H2O2, that's hydrogen peroxide. It yields H2O and oxygen when it's broken down by catalase. And that oxygen gets liberated as bubbles, and it gets liberated violently. Okay? So I'm going to take this, and I'm going to take a couple of drops of hydrogen peroxide and put it on the plate. And somebody who might want to take a video of this might want to come over
I got it.
and do this. You're not going to be able to see it from there.
Here, you could just move my video and do
Let me
it.
see if I can. Or wait.
So